Good morning, this is Thomas at Adaptive Code. Adaptive Code does web design, UI, UX design, web builds, applications, blockchains, etc. Today we're going to go over removing members from Figma so that you can reduce the monthly fees that you need to pay. Every time you add a member, you'll need to pay an additional, at this point, $12 per month for that seat. So that looks like, if you come here into your Figma home, so this is on my desktop, is the desktop version. Click on the team and you go to members. Then you'll see a list of members, and they can accumulate as you work on different projects, as you invite folks to your teams, etc. And if you don't clean them out whenever the project is done, you can find yourself paying a lot of unnecessary fees. All you need to do, and you can't see it here because I'm the only one, is click on the member, and then in here you're going to see remove member, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Remove those members and save yourself some money. Again, this is Thomas at Adaptive Code. If you need something built, just reach out to me. You can reach out to contact@adaptivecode.io.